Ọdịnala bụ eziokwu, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ. Ị ma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa, ụmụ Igbo chigharịa. Kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti, n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkuzi. Eze-Ana, Eze-Ana ugochitubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana ugochitubelu, onye ọma anyị ji eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ, gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana ugochitubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana ugochitubelu, onye ọma anyị ji eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ, gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana ga-adị, ugochitubelu ga-adị, ugochitubelu tempụl ọ ya adị. Maka na eziokwu anwa chacha, ndị ụka erigo anyị front and back, ndị oche eli anyị front and back. Faji asị kala aka ghọrị ụmụ Igbo, si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke fe ka mma. Bulu Baịbụl bịa, akwụkwọ akụkọ, mepekwa chọọchị fa, okwu n'ụka bịakwa.
Good morning, viewers all over the world. My name is Ogbuefi Eze-Ana ugochitubelu oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi, deep consultation. Abụrụkwazị onye na-achụkwazị aja dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration evangelical mission. Bụrụkwazị onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or ordinary evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị tata, n'oge awa nke eziokwu, our today's topic is how to overcome cobwebs and negative vibrations. How to overcome cobwebs and negative vibrations. If you pay attention to this topic, believe in me, you will learn a lot. Now, before we dive into today's lecture, if you are getting us outside Africa via television set, please, I would like to know, so that I will know our reach, where you are getting us from. Then, another one is important announcement concerning our monthly rituals. This morning, I have gone to the temple to pray, make declaration upon the lives of those that join us for the month. We have monthly rituals for upliftment, liberation, and breakthrough. You can join us anywhere you are all over the globe. Distance is never a barrier in all our work in the temple, because there is power in group rituals. So for you to join us, what you have to do is to make token donation to the account number. Chat me on WhatsApp. I will tell you other details we need for you in order to book you. You send your 3 prayer requests, we place it in altar. Now charge and now go for making declarations upon your life till the month end. On the last day of the month, we visit the river with eatable things for Saraka and its water sacrifices on behalf of all. Then we proceed back to the temple to offer other sacrifices, including ram, to entities of powers on behalf of all. I can tell you, we started this group ritual almost 3 years now. We have lots of testimony, but as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media or in Ezeoku TV. You know why? It's not necessary, not why we are here. But I can tell you, we have lots of testimonies. Yes. So if you are interested in joining either for this month or upcoming month, what you have to do, or you have any question in today's lecture, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672. I repeat, 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 871. I repeat, 0813 8243 871. Let's now move into the lecture proper. As you are joining us from Ezeoku TV, telling people about our administration, or you are joining us from social media platforms and sharing it, may Chukwu Okike Primi Herine bless you abundantly. Yeah, guys, yeah. Like I told you, today's topic is how to overcome cobwebs and negative vibrations. Let's start with cobwebs. What is cobweb? Cobweb is those negative experience you normally get from time to time. Yes, that normally rock your path. Some people normally experience it, especially inside their rooms. I want to emphasize those ones inside their rooms. However, not every cobweb has negative meaning. Example, if you are a type that normally go out so early on a lonely road, bush paths, definitely olden days, when we normally go out so early, sometimes we cut some leaves we'll be using to wave while walking on the village path, because we are the first person that is passing that place in the night, in the morning, and some of these cobwebs, these setups have thrown their nets on the path because people don't normally pass it. That one is understandable, and that one has nothing to do with negative vibrations that people normally complain about. But I'm talking about those experiences you normally have when you are following the normal road people normally pass, and it is very obvious you are not early bird, as in you are not one of those people that wake up so early, meaning that people must have passed that road many times before you get to your turn. But you notice that even when passing where others pass freely without experiencing cobwebs, whenever you pass those roads, you felt this cobweb of a thing, and the thing became worrisome. So if you are a type that anywhere you go you feel cobweb, even during the daytime, maybe inside their room, everywhere cobwebs, that could be as a result of sign, as a result that all is not well within your spiritual vibrations. It could be a physical sign, like I told you. One could be a natural occurrence as a result of waking up so early to a bush path where people normally pass, but not so early. So he happened to be the first person that passing that road that particular morning. That one is natural. Are you following? But I'm talking about those people that experiencing it even in the afternoon on a path that people normally pass without experiencing it, but whenever he passes, he experiences it. So people that normally experience it in their own room, I have a solution to it. I will advise you and tell you what you must do, because those experiences, those things you feel physically, could be as a result of what is happening in the spiritual vibrations, in the spiritual realm, showing that you are not that free, meaning there is so many traps on your path, because those cobwebs we are seeing is a trap. Yes, so it could be a physical sign to show you that there is so much trap on your path in the world of the spiritual. Some people are opportune to be getting some of these kind of signs when all is not well in their spiritual path. So today I want to address people that their own has to do with spiritual. not people that normally experience it when they are going for money mass or when they are going for their business so early. Those ones can be natural. I want to address people that normally it not normally happen to them as a result of their state in the spiritual realm. So for those of you that are early birds going for morning mass and everything, and you are living in a bush part area, please, if you are going, look for a leaf, as in kajido leaves. You get in a wave your front while passing. That is the solution. And that one has been in existence long from the longest time. Are you feeling? So that this one has no any evil intention or any evil meaning attached to it. But for those of you that normally experience cobwebs, that those traps, in the world of physical, and you experience it on a road where people have been passing during the daytime, even in the afternoon, or in the evening, or even inside their room, or some people normally experience it even in their dreams. Yes, if you're a type that maybe in your dream you saw yourself as you are passing on the road in your dream, you saw cobwebs, those traps, it's a sign that all is not well within their spiritual vibration arena. So something must be done. I will teach you what you can be doing in order to overcome this, because it's not a good sign. Believe in me. So if you're a type that normally experience it in your dreams, in open place where other people have passed, none of them experience it, but you pass, you notice it, it's a sign that what you need to do is a cleansing work. It means that you have to do some certain cleansing in order to clean off negative vibrations within your spiritual arena. What attracted those negative vibrations could be as a result of your lifestyle. If you know you have committed alo in the past, that is abomination in the past, don't wait for that particular abomination to show in Afa. Believe in me, that is mistake lots of people normally do. You know yourself to the deepest part of your life, your existence. You know you have committed this. That is why even medical doctors, once you consult them, they will begin to ask you some certain questions. Why they're asking you those questions is to get to the root of who you are. And then you have to open up to your doctor so that you know exactly where to channel his search, the lab test, so that he will not just come and be doing general tests that will cost you a lot. And sometimes in spiritual, because Alpha is spiritual, if Umumu really want to prepare you, they will not come and show you. There are some people that they are gifted. Whenever all is not well in their spiritual arena, the spirit will come to the dream and tell them, so that they will do something the needful immediately. Some people are privileged. Whenever all is not well, they will get the message immediately and they ratify it immediately. But everybody is not privileged in that manner. There are some people, when things are wrong, are not going well in their spiritual arena, they will not get information. So I want to talk to this kind of people. So that is why. And some people, if the spirit, that thing is not revealed in the spirit, they will not do anything. Like there are some people that whenever maybe the agu want them to feed the agu will visit them in the dream, either coming as a dog to tell them that the agu needs something. But some people will not experience it. But however, who is dealing with them? Are you following? So everybody, some people, when all is not well with them, they will first of all dream maybe when they are at danger in the dreams, and maybe when day breaks, they will consult their spiritualist for maybe consultation. I told you when I had problem when I was still in with the church, I saw myself in the inside thick forest, and I can't find way out. I look toward this direction, nothing to show that there is any road out. I look east, west, north, and south, no way. I began to cry till I woke up. That is a sign that my spiritual path has been blocked. So it's a sign for me to go and do the needful and know why. But some people, many things will be happening to them and no sign. They will not even know. No sign. So if you are a type that maybe things are happening in your life, and some of these things no clue at all, yeah, those things have nothing like dream, nothing like vision, no prophetic words, no revelation, even alpha, nothing. Nobody have seen those their iniquity, that is those abominable acts he committed, thinking that nobody sees you. I can tell you, the eyes of Chukwu saw you. Are you following? So by so doing, you'll be thinking that you have gone scot-free. No. At this point in time, I will advise you, because your sin will always find you out. I will advise you to confess those sins via Eze-Ana for a while in order to be free. Because if you are not favored by the spirits, they will not even reveal it. Because whenever the cause of your problem is revealed, the solution is there. But if those who mostly want to bulala you, they will hide it. It will not even come out enough. You will not get any faint idea, even in dreams or whatever. It will not be revealed, so that they will deal with you mercilessly. So if you are the type that whenever all is not well, you get the revelation, rejoice, because you are favored. So what I'm saying that some people that normally experience this cobweb could be a sign that there is a trap. You know those cobwebs, something is a trap. So it could be a sign that there is so many traps on the person's part. So whenever you experience this very often, and you know you have been keeping your environment clean, then you need to consult Alpha. Sometimes what could cause it could be because you are living in a dirty environment. Are you following? Because they do say cleanliness is next to godliness. Sometimes you are living in an untidy room or an apartment. When was the last time you cleansed your room or your house, as case may be? Don't you know that you need to be cleaning your house, both spiritual and physical? Don't you know? Yes. Because that's your room, so many things might be going on there. Sometimes your house, you need to have visitors, and some of these visitors are coming with different vibrations. Yes. Even when you are living alone, there is other negative vibration that normally come around you, maybe because of your lifestyle or because of so many visitors or because of so many other factors can cause it, or it can be caused by projections, either from human or spell, or based on your lifestyle. So many factors can bring negative vibrations around you. That's what I'm talking about. So those negative vibrations that normally come around you is caused by something, either by your lifestyle or by the spirit or by visitors. Because Some of this negative vibration is contagious. So that is what you should know. So what I can tell you is that the way you normally cleanse your room by as in sweeping, sometimes clean your room spiritually. I will tell you what you can be doing in order to be cleaning your room from time to time. Let me tell you what you do. For some of you that normally say that negative vibration in their room, there is negative cobwebs you are seeing that could be as a result that all is not well within your spiritual arena. Yes. The only way you can solve those walls are through living a positive lifestyle, having good longing, good thought. Yes, that the way you live are right. So because whenever you are harboring negativity and evil thought, evil mindset towards your fellow human being, you are attracting those negative vibrations towards your path, knowingly or unknowingly. That's why you always try to keep your thought pure. Always think of good. Don't always keep evil in your mind, maybe pondering about evil. By so doing, you are condensing negative vibration towards your path. So always have a free mind. Think about everything that is noble. Have good intentions. By so doing, you'll be able to attract positive vibration towards your spiritual arena. That's one. So your lifestyle, the way you live your life, don't think evil against anybody. By so doing, your spiritual arena will be clean. That is one. Then, for those negative vibrations that you normally experience within your house or your apartment, could be because of your lifestyle or visitors you do have. I will tell you how you can cleanse that one. That is the physical cleansing. But spiritual cleansing is one. If you have committed abomination, one. Spiritual cleansing is live a good life worthy of emulation. To always keep your thought pure. Then the physical cleansing is what I want to tell you. So for you to do physical cleansing, see what you will do. Physical cleansing is two parts. I will divide it into two parts. The physical cleansing, you can be cleansing your own body. Your own body. I have teach that one before. How you can be using natural leaves and herbs to benefit from those spiritual benefit of those leaves and herbs because of us. Because nothing on earth that is useless. But what you don't know remains a mystery. Those leaves and grass you are seeing, believe in me, they are not useless, but you don't know their benefit. That's why. So that's why those leaves has benefit of attracting favor and repelling negative vibrations. Like in Chuang, look at the name sounds. Chuang, Chuang has some scents. That's why it's called scent leaf. That's why it's called scent leaf. It has a scent. Normally comes out of Chuang, and that scent repel this negative. That is what on Chuang. What is yang? Yang is mosquito. Mosquito is of a negative vibration. That is why olden days they bring in Chuang dried one, lighting up in the house. It repel mosquito. So some of these mosquito, some of the thing are a mixture of some certain leaves and chemicals in order to have the scent to repel them of those things. Are you following? The same thing for you, some of you that are doubting the power of nature, I can tell you, some of these incense you are seeing, used in so many places and temples. Example, if you go to Catholics, they normally use what they call frankincense. Frankincense is like it's gum and the back of wood. That is frankincense. It's there in the market. Is it other spiritual incense that we normally get from India? Those are incense made of different herbs and leaves to either to attract favor or to do one thing or the other. The ability for that incense to be able to attract positive spirit or negative spirit depends on the content, the leaves and herbs they use to formulate it. Are you following? So, having established that there is some leaves that are capable of repelling negative things and the leaves that are attracting goodies. Example, we have rose flowers, we have no so many flowers like marigold and so many flowers that attract favor like bay leaf. You know this bay leaf that they normally use to cook jollof rice is one of the favor attracting leaves. So we have many of that. Just mention a few. So the same thing with some leaves that has the ability to repel. So combination of this kind of leaves. Sometimes we in the temple we have soap. We have soap we use to prepare some of these leaves so that it will be easier to use. However, if you can still get those leaves raw, you can still squeeze them. What is there in it there is the water in those leaves in order to use it to have a bath or a boil them. All of them have medicine. I can be doing that maybe once in a week or once in a month as case may be. If by so doing you use it to cleanse yourself. So you can get those things yourself and boil it and be using it maybe once in a week or once in a month. Because doing it every day will be difficult for you to be getting those leaves every day. Unless if you can buy maybe the one we already prepared, like soup, you'll be using. It helps to remove all those small aura and those. Now, having said explained this concerning the one you can be using by yourself, knowing fully well that we normally come in contact with so many people in the course of doing our business and so on and so forth. So you need cleansing, to be cleansing yourself every day, because you are encountering so many people with different vibrations. Yes. That is why in some holy temples, once you are coming in, you have to perform some certain of cleaning off. Yes. Then let's now dive into how you can cleanse off your environment, your apartment, your house. There are so many ways you can clean off your house. We have so many leaves you can boil. The same way you already know that there are some leaves that their scents repel snakes around. Yes. Then the same thing, there is some certain leaves that you use to do almost spiritual work to repel those negative vibrations that may be attracted to your home, your apartment, either from visitors or from you yourself. So always look for ogilisi leaf, whether male or female. Look for a ogilisi leaf that have 5 leaves, 5 fingers. Take it from that same that have 5 fingers. Then you use it in your home this way. The day you will do it, remember what you are doing. You know, whenever we are doing spiritual work, it will look as if we are joking. But believe in me, it's not a joke. Open your window. Any particular room you want to cleanse up, open your window wide, open your door wide, and make a declaration in the name of that today that you are cleansing off any negative vibration in this room and kick them out. So what you have to do, bring that ogilisi leaf in that have 5 fingers, Start from one end to another, as if you are cobwebbing your room from one end to another, from one end to another, as if you are sweeping it line by line till you get to the point of their door. The door, remember your door is widely open. You do it like this. You are sweeping off all negative vibration in this room from today going forward. Yes. Then you bring that leaf down again. Be doing it as if you are sweeping the room from one end to the another, just line by line till you get to the door. So that today you are sweeping out any negative vibrations in this room. After doing this, go and look for pinch of salt. You can use this tablespoon. Yes, use the other side of it. Use pinch of salt, small. Drop it. You take another pinch of salt to 4 corners of your room, meaning that each corner of your room will have pinch of salt. Salt is like a spiritual cleanser. Salt has so many repel and wash away. That is why if you go to Old Testament, you see where Elisha was asked to put salt in bad water in order to make that water clean. So salt is a clean substance. That's why even if you see those Catholics that are blessing their holy water, they add salt. So don't overlook salt. Are you getting me? So use pinch of salt, drop it in each corner of your rooms. Then look for alligator pepper or salt. Take 4 seeds. Once you open it, then remember, if you are a newcomer in Igbo spirituality, Osoji is pepperish. So Osoji, don't open it in your front like this. Yes. Something that will make you cry. What you do, as you are opening it for the first time, put your 2 hands on the back and use one of your fingers to twat it, open it, to remove a seed from it at least. What you will say is that anything that will bring cry, that will pepper you, will never happen in your front. This must be a statement you will make. Then you open it by your back. Then once you open it, then you can bring it in your front. If you are opening it for the first time, then you take 4 seeds. But if you have opened it already, you don't need to put your hand back again. It's only if you are opening it for the first time. Now take 4 seeds closer to your mouth and make declarations of what you want to be happening in your house, in your room from that day going forward. After bringing it to their close to your mouth and make that declaration, put that 4 seeds in one corner. Carry another 4 seeds, make the same declaration, put it in the second corner. Carry another 4 seeds, meaning your 4 corner of the room will get 16 seeds, as each room will get 16 seeds. Are you following? Do this, it works like magic. If you do this, then if you have multiple rooms, if you can do it in all the rooms, then after doing this, repeat it after 7 days. Repeat it after 7 days. Repeat it after 7 days. I can tell you, if you are doing it after 7 days, maybe do it like 7 times. Then they can be doing it once in a month. I can tell you, the issue of cobweb will stop. Yeah. Because the way we cleanse, you don't know what normally happens when we are asleep. Do you know that sometimes when we are asleep, our mind travel to far distance in the spiritual realm? Do you know that sometimes when we are asleep, we encounter even negative vibration, negative spirit in the dream while sleeping? Sometimes you encounter those spirits that will be wishing you negative vibrations. So, and remember, you are living in the same room where those spirits cast those spells. So from time to time, as you normally clean off your body, have your bed, sometimes clean off your environment, because cleanliness is next to godliness. Because if you always clean your environment will always be clean. And once your environment is clean, your environment will always attract positive spirits. Yes, positive vibrations, meaning that the beings from the light region, we always like to come to your environment because your environment is pure, is clean, is similar to them. But if your vibration, spiritual vibration is always dirty, is it cannot, no, those beings from the light region cannot withstand, that cannot even come. They cannot even near you. Even if there is a blessing that is coming your way, those negative vibration around you will hang it. But sometimes you keep blaming your spiritualist. Your spiritualist is not God. Your spiritualist can tell you and do the needful. However, from your own end, they have to do something. Are you following? So sometimes that's why they will be telling you that there is this good thing they are seeing on your front. But to reach you, na wahala. Because you need to have positive vibrations that will be in the same line and the same harmony with those positive vibration that is coming, so that they will anchor. And when they anchor with the vibration around you, good things will begin to happen around you. But when those positive vibration begin to come your way, and within you there is so many iniquity and negative vibration, they cannot anchor. They will hover over you over and over. And once they hover over and over, and there is another killing person or killing better place, then another person can benefit. Even your relative that didn't even ask for that blessing can benefit from the blessing that is meant for you. Because he is like Oramporo. You know, remember the parable of seed sower in the Bible. That Oramporo spread the seed. He spread the seed. The same Oramporo, the same seed. He spread the seed in this particular land, and we were told that those seeds germinate and they did well. He spread to the other place. Those places it germinates, but because of stones and everything, negative things around, he couldn't survive. The test of time, they all died. And now the same parable of seed sower. He casted some seed another place again. Do you know what happened there? When he casted those seeds, they did not germinate at all. Why? Because the land is not conducive. It's full of stones. So it's not, the atmosphere is not okay for every good things to germinate. So I don't know what you are passing through. What you are passing through, what reason why some of these blessings is not getting to you could be as a result of disposition. Your spiritual vibration is so dead that there is no way anything good can come out, can reach you. Because your spiritual vibration need to connect with that positive vibration that is coming. Because positive with positive, it will anchor well and there will be harmony. But when the positive happening is sent to you as a blessing, and coming to you is full of filth and negative vibration, then it can manifest, because you needed a point of contact in order to anchor. Are you following? Let me stop here. So I have told you what we can do in order to attract those positive vibration, and what you must do in order to wipe out and overcome cobwebs and negative vibrations around you. I pray in the name of Chukwu. May those of you that are opportune to hear this word today, to put it into practice for your benefit. May the blessings of the Most High Chukwu be with you and abide with you now forevermore. See you tomorrow, time of truth. Eze-Ana.